assistant coach Walker. As we close off round two, quick recap. You have 6 wins, 2 losses, and 5 draws. How are you feeling?
You have to give thanks for your performance like that in the second round. You know, we never did so well first round, but come out second round and put in such a good effort. We have to say kudos to the boys and they did well.
What's the mentality going into the final round before playoffs?
The boys are very well motivated. Simply including some of our new players, they are well motivated, and I think they are motivated to go forward enough. Just have to keep working hard and focus on our game, and I think nothing can stop us.
Back-to-back goals for Nikhil Ellis. How important is he to the team and what you guys are trying to achieve?
Well, each game you score, you get that boost of confidence every time. So we just have to keep the team have to keep pushing him and keep motivating him, and I think he will always get that. So we just have to just work with him, and I think he's our go-to player now. We have a very good squad, but sometimes you just have to find the go-to player, and I think he's that man now. So we just have to work with that at all time.
Goal difference basically stopping you guys from the top 6. How do you feel about that?
Well, we just have to continue work on and cancel out those goals, because you know we start the season very bad with some tough losses and some tough draws. So we just have to continue work hard, and once we are doing the right thing, I don't think anything can stop us.
All right, coach. Thank you, coach.
All right, thank you very much.